as at the moment, I'm not using the wireless microphone. I'm using my natural inbuilt microphone for this phone here. So if you are a content creator, you create content for Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, live, you grant interviews, you teach people online, and you want to improve your audio quality, I think this microphone is going to help you achieve that. If you are looking for a wireless microphone to improve your audio quality, I think you should consider this. So let us unbox this and see what it comes with. As you can see on the surface, this is two wireless microphone transmitter and a charging box. So let us unbox it. As you can see, this is what it comes with. This is for people that use iPhone, for iPhone users. And then this is the charging box. It has a digital display. It has an inbuilt power bank that allows you to charge even when there is no electricity. So as you can see here, this is the receiver. This is the receiver, and this is the microphone transmitter. There are two microphone transmitter, and it also comes with a USB cord. This is a USB cord. Comes with a USB cord. So here's how to charge. You can charge it with a power bank. Yeah, you can charge with a power bank just here. You just plug it here and plug to a power bank, and then it's going to be displaying here that it is charging. Also, even if you don't want to charge it directly with the charging box here, you can also remove this microphone transmitter and then just plug it directly here. When you plug it directly, you plug it to power bank or to electric source to charge it. So that's how to charge it. Now let me show you how to connect it. As at the moment, I'm not using the wireless microphone. I'm using my natural inbuilt microphone for this phone here. So let me connect the wireless microphone to the phone so that you will know if the voice is going to change. It's very simple. You get this receiver and the transmitter. So let me plug it to the phone and see. So when you connect it, as you see, the light will be blinking. Still searching. Now that the light is this LED light is steady, it means it has connected. So I hope you can hear me. So now that the light is steady, it has connected. I hope you can hear me. So if you are a content creator, you create content for Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, live, you grant interviews, you teach people online, and you want to improve your audio quality, I think this microphone is going to help you achieve that. As I've shown you, this is what it comes with: the charging box, two wireless microphone transmitter, and one receiver. It also comes with a USB cord with a manual. Here's the manual it comes with. Yeah, you need to read this manual so that you understand it better. So guys, this is just it. As you can see, very simple. There is no complete. You don't need to download any app. It's not very complicated to set up. Just plug and play. As simple as that. So if you would like to get this wireless microphone, you can reach out to me, send me a message, and I'll help you get it. However, if you like this video review, I will need you to like, subscribe, and share to other content creators. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.